Hey, can black people all over the world hear me on this thing? Let me know if you can hear me in the comment section below. Black people are the essence of music, and here's the proof. We're back again with another Igbo Nigerian name demonstration to prove this point. And the tonal name for today is Ihuomachukwu. The reason why black people are able to make music that touches the world is because our ancestral languages are tonal and melodic, just like music. That's why we're the essence of it. This is the source of our natural talent. It's in our rhythm. It's in our DNA. I'm going to give you an example, a song that a lot of us know, all right? This little light of mine. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. All right, so I know a lot of people out there can sing that song a lot better than me, but that's not the point. The point is I had to sing that song with a tonality and a rhythm in order for you to be able to understand and the message to be conveyed that this is a song. And so just like a lot of our ancestral languages, like the Igbo Nigerian language and many other languages on the African continent, there's a tone, there's a melody in it. And the way that you say the word and speak the language conveys the meaning. If you say it in a different tonality or a different way, the same exact word, it won't make the same sense. It won't mean the same thing. Now, I don't know how to read music. I didn't have to read the music in that song that I just sang in order to know that I had to sing it a certain way in order for the message to be conveyed. And that's how a lot of our languages are. That's how a lot of our languages are. You have to say it with a certain tonality in order for the message to come through. So, the Igbo name, Ihuomachukwu, Ihuomachukwu, sing it with me, Ihuomachukwu, Ihuomachukwu. So in a language that's like a little bit more flat and less tonal like English, you might just see it written like Ihuomachukwu, like if you're trying to read it, you might just say Ihuomachukwu, Ihuomachukwu, but no, it won't make sense. So you have to say Ihuomachukwu, Ihuomachukwu. But, again, if you just say something like Ihuomachukwu, people don't understand, the essence isn't there. So here's a clip from a video that I made for y'all with the name Ihuomachukwu. And if you like the clip, the full video is on my profile. Hope you guys like it.
To solve a mystery. And then one day, months later, I finally got it.
Ihuomachukwu, echiche m na m domekpaazụ ka iwe aṅụrị na afa Igbo gị, mụtakwa ka esi asụ Igbo. My dying wish is for you to embrace your name and learn the Igbo language.
As I read the
My name is Chukwunonso Captors. I'm an Igbo storyteller. If you're a fellow melanated person in the diaspora and you'd like to connect to the continent, let me know and I'll give you an Igbo name gift. If you're learning how to speak Igbo, sing the language. Don't just say it. Sing the language.